Welcome to this quick guide on integrating NameScan with SuiteCRM. In this video, we'll focus on the key features of NameScan and how it enhances your SuiteCRM experience. By the end, you'll know how to set it up and use it effectively. Let's dive in. Key features of NameScan. NameScan is a powerful tool that integrates seamlessly with SuiteCRM. Its key features include 1. Real-time screening. Instantly screen profiles against global watch lists. 2. Customizable fields. Use unique ID, country, and date of birth for accurate searches. 3. Detailed results. Get match rates, categories, and timestamps for each profile. 4. Easy integration. Configure NameScan in just a few clicks. These features make NameScan a must-have for compliance and risk management. Accessing NameScan configuration. To get started, log into SuiteCRM and go to your profile. Click on Admin, then find NameScan by Outright Store in the bottom right corner. Click on NameScan configuration to open the setup page. Next, create a new record. Click Create, select Contacts as the module, and enter the contact details. For example, first name, Michael. Last name, Johnson. ID number, C123456789. Date of birth, November 22nd, 1980. Accurate details ensure reliable search results. Now, configure NameScan settings. Select the unique ID field as ID number, the country field as primary address country, and the date of birth field as date of birth. Enter your API key and click Save. After saving, click the Search on NameScan button. NameScan will scan its database for matches. This may take a few moments. Once the search is complete, the results will appear. For each profile, you'll see Use these results to assess the profile's risk level. Closing remarks. And that's it. With NameScan's powerful features and seamless integration, you can enhance your SuiteCRM experience. For more tutorials, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.